Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that stores the history you want. Once signed in, go directly to My Activity. Use the account menu or type My Activity into the Google search bar and open it. Make sure you select the correct device if you use multiple devices and set an initial date range for focus. This first step gives you the central timeline. It's the only unified place Google stores web and app activity in one searchable view. So proceed now. Once inside My Activity, filter aggressively. Use filter by date and product to isolate browser history, YouTube, or location entries. Next, type a keyword, site name, search term, or app to jump to relevant items quickly. You can also expand individual activity cards to view timestamps, devices, and entry details. If you want a narrower window, pick custom dates. When done, you'll see a clean list of actions. These controls turn a long timeline into actionable. To finish, decide whether to keep, delete, or export entries. Click the three-dot menu on an activity to delete it, or use Delete Activity by to remove a date range. If you need a backup, use Google Takeout to export history data. If history seems incomplete, make sure activity controls are enabled, sync is active on your devices, and you're in the correct account. Switch accounts if needed. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh permissions and visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.